Hey guys, it's Trippy. Welcome to the video. Hopefully this is the last time I have to apologise for how I sound, as I'm recording this video literally right after I've recorded my previous video, so I've still got COVID, but hopefully by the time you guys hear this, I'll be all well again and talking normally and less bunged up. But this video is going to be at Perranporth, which is a beach really popular with tourists, especially in the summer. There's actually a pub built onto the beach. It's called the Watering Hole, I think. They do decent food there, but they're quite expensive, as you'd expect for a kind of tourist spot. But the beach itself is absolutely huge. You've got cliffs, sand dunes, obviously surfing. And when the tide goes out, it's really good for the OneWheel as well. It's probably not so good for the OneWheel itself with the sand and the salt and stuff, but to ride on it, it's actually pretty good fun. So this video is just going to be me kind of checking out the sand and messing around a little bit. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. I don't think I'll be doing 25 miles an hour anytime soon. Oh Jesus, it's sunk. No, I went into a puddle. What happened?
Yeah, well no, you got more traction in snowboarding, this is harder.
show me where that cave was? Yeah. I remember this. How do you play that?
I do it for something, then you have to
I think you would win that.
It's like skate, but we do it with just a wheel. We can practice 180.